Blooming Beauties, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I know it has been a while, but the semester has been semestering, okay? But I am back and hopefully I will be able to post more consistent content. So in today's video, I am going to be making a foaming whipped sugar scrub. And I will be making the foaming whip from scratch because it starts to add up when you have to constantly purchase it. So I'll occasionally provide my commentary. For now, enjoy the video. As you all can see, I am using cane sugar in my recipe. So because I'm using cane sugar, this is a body scrub. If you're looking to make a scrub that you intend to use for your face, you may want to use granulated sugar, or you can opt to use ingredients like jojoba beads, something that's not so big and jagged. I cannot stop raving about this cassia essential oil. It has a warm, spicy scent to it, almost like cinnamon. So if you're someone who's looking for an autumn scent without using fragrance, I would definitely advise you to purchase some cassia essential oil. And when using it in cold process soaps, the scent stays, which is always great. Once both components are below 122 degrees Fahrenheit per the recipe that I followed, and I got this recipe online, honestly everywhere I looked it was like the same recipe, so I'll try to tag the website, figure out how to tag it. But anyways, so I mixed them both together. I don't know why I didn't mix the stearic acid into the other bowl, but I thought I had a hand mixer. I didn't, so I had to switch again to put everything into my stand mixer, and I mixed that on medium to high so that it could get fluffy and all the air can get incorporated, and you'll see what that looks like in the next few clips. As y'all can see, it was just so fluffy. Look at that in slow-mo. Fluffy. Almost like a Swiss meringue, or like egg whites when you whip up egg whites. Anyways, I added the caffeine extract to really drive the concept home, and I feel like, looking back, I should have stopped here. Like, I should have just stopped right here and added and just left it like this and then bottled it up. But instead I had to keep going and throw in the rest of the mixture, which I feel made it more aggressive when it came to exfoliating your body. So I only use this for the roughest part of my skin, which is usually elbows, knees, and the buttocks, of course. Not rough, but you get what I'm saying. That skin back there can handle some rough exfoliating. So I'm putting it in a piping bag because, y'all, I love to pipe. This is literally the funnest part of the entire process. Cleaning up is the worst part. Piping is the best part. So I'll pipe it into a container, and as you know, see the photos at the end of what it turned out like. I did have a little blooper at the end also because, again, I was switching so many containers that I was annoying myself, and I tried to not switch a container, and that was just a mess. But I hope you all enjoy this video. Check out my great piping skills. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you all in the daisy fields the next time. Bye. To come back and let y'all know this piping bag was not letting me be great. So this I piped so quickly and so beautifully, but the piping bag started to unravel, so you couldn't even see my great artistry. But as you can see, it's still all in the way. I'll work on that next time. And oh yeah, I forgot, here I am using the product at the end. I just wanted to see how much it would lather up, and I feel like it really didn't lather as much as it could have because I added too much, you know, but I still feel like it was really nice. Again, a little aggressive, but it can definitely be used on, you know, back there.